What's up everyone, this is an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 in Mystic Bronze. This is the 128GB version. So this is from the top, and then nothing on the bottom or top, and then on the right side there's the bottom part, and then on the left side just the serial numbers, and then the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 branding. And then on the back, just some more information. So I got this for 350 when I traded in my iPad Pro 9.7, and then I got like $300 back. So the normal price for this is 650. So 350. So I only paid 350 with the trade-in. So this is removing the top, and then it's covered in like a cloth. It feels nice. This is the back. And you get an S Pen. And the charger. The adaptive fast charger. And this is the cable. Oh, SIM ejection. Or I think you could put like a micro SD in it, and then some documentation. Okay, so this is the tablet again. And there's a shiny part right here. Then you can stick the pen here. Yeah, like this. So while on that, I also got the book, the Tab S7 book cover. I already opened it up. It's the same color. So yeah, it's pretty much like this. Then you can do the you can do it like this. Oops. Thank you for watching my unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7.